Hello and welcome to your kitchen tour. I'm going to walk you through this cabinet by cabinet so you can see what is where and how it's configured as far as drawer layout, etc. So I will start here with the kitchen fridge cabinet. So this is a 36-inch cabinet above, and to make it fit in the space, we actually had to add a little bit of filler to the left. And this is so that we ensure that all of these cabinets fit in place. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is just an open cabinet above the fridge. And then to the right, we have a 24-inch wide wall cabinet. And this just has shelves inside. Below that, we have a 24-inch drawer. And this has the hidden drawer inside the top. So let's see if we can get a good angle. So this is the hidden drawer. You don't see that until you open the front drawer. Just to the right of that, we have the carousel cabinet. So inside, you can turn this around. Above the corner cabinet, we have the blind corner cabinet on the wall. And this opens so that you have your shelves that go back into here. So it's a little difficult to access, but it gives you nice clean lines on the front. And then to the right of that, we have a 36-inch wide cabinet. Next to the carousel, we have another 24-inch wide cabinet, drawers, and this one has the small, medium, and large. We repeated the pattern, so where the cooktop is, as well as the one to the right, these all have the same small, medium, large configuration. And this is a 30-inch wide cooktop with two 24-inch wide drawers to the right and left. So it gives some good symmetry to that space, as well as a good amount of workspace to the right of your cooktop. But this did mean we had to move it to the left a little bit. We still don't know exactly where the venting is coming down, so there may need to be a little adjustment here. You'll know more after you speak with your contractor or you do some demolition, in which case if we need to adjust these cabinets at that point we can. But I think this is better as far as the aesthetics of the kitchen, to lay it out with this moved over slightly so we can make this centered between two cabinets. So to the right of the exhaust hood, we have an 18-inch cabinet. So this door panel is 18 inches, and this door panel to the left is 18 inches and 18 inches. So it has that visual symmetry as well. So this is just a regular cabinet like the rest above. And then you have your microwave oven to the right of that. And below is a drawer. So this is just a cabinet above with shelves, and then below the oven is a drawer. Okay. Now, let's get to the sink wall. So we were talking about having a 36-inch wide sink on your island, but with this wall and the measurements, I don't think that it's going to work out. We're just a couple inches shy, which means we would stick out from this wall to give you the trash cabinet. So I made this a 30-inch wide cabinet, which means that your sink will need to fit within that cabinet box. IKEA doesn't have the best option for this size, but you can look around and see if you find a sink from another manufacturer that might fit. The dishwasher is obviously going to stay at 24 inches wide, so we've got 24, 30, and then the trash cabinet has to be 18 inches to fit the two, the recycling and the trash. So let's show you what that looks like. So we have to add a handle so you can pull it out easily. And then you have your two bins here in the bottom, and then above is a hidden drawer so you can put like additional trash bags and things like that up in there. And then your sink cabinet is just an open cabinet. Let's get closer. So you can keep all your drain, you have room for all your drain pipes and water pipes and everything in there. So I think that covers everything. If you want to make any revisions or have questions, just let me know. But I think everything fit together pretty nicely. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.